Now we continue a character data type. Character data type allows its variable to store only a single character. Single character is nothing but capital A to Z or small a to Z. The size of character is 1 byte. 1 byte means total 8 bit. It is the most basic data type in C. It stores a single character and requires a single byte of memory in almost all compilers. Range of C character data type is -128 to 127 or 0 to 255. Size is 1 byte. Format specifier used for the character data type is %C. The syntax for the declaration of character is character variable name semicolon. Example of character. Now here is the one program. In this program we can print a character value. So integer main. First we have to include the stdio.h, that is standard input output file, which is used for printf and scanf functions. After that our main function is compulsory in our C program, so the integer main. After that we declare two characters. First character A is equal to A, and character character C has not initialized any value. Now the printf the value of A %C. A%C is used for as a format specifier for character value, and %D is used for the integer value. Now we have to increment the value of A, that is A++, and now we print value after increment is %C A. C is assigned to the ASCII values. So we know that the ASCII value of A is 97, ASCII value of B is 98, and the ASCII value of C is 99. Now we initialize the value of C is equal to 99, and then printf value of C %C C. After that return 0. Now the output of this program, first the value of A, that is A, because here we are printing value of A %C A. Now our value of A is character A equal to A, so the first value of A is A. After that value of A after increment, here we are doing the A++. A++ means increment the value of A by 1. So A plus 1 we get the B. So the value of A after increment is B. And the value of C we are printing here. Printf value of C %C. Here we are using %C. So we are getting the value of C is as a C. If you use %D, in that case you get the ASCII value, that is 99. After that float data type. In C programming, float data type is used to store the floating point values. Floating point values means 3.2, 20.5, same. Float in C is used to store the decimal and exponential values. It is used to store decimal numbers. It is used to store the decimal numbers with single precision. So the range of float is 1.2e minus 38 to 3.4e plus 38. The size of the float data type is 4 bytes. That is 4 into 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. So 4 into 8, that is total 32 bits. Format specifier used for the float data type is %f. The syntax for the declaration of the float or float variable is float variable name. For integer we know that int variable name. For character we know that char variable name. Same as for declaration of float value, we declare float variable name. Now here is one example C program of floating type. We know that our first line is we have to include the header file, standard input output header file stdio.h. After that our main function. In main function we have to declare the two float values, float A equal to 9.0 and float B equal to 2.5. Now we have to do the difference. Float c equal to 2e minus 4f. Okay, and we have to print the values of a, b and c. So printf %f a, here we get the value of a. After that printf %f b, here we get the value of b, that is 2.5. and in c we know that c is equal to 2e minus 4f, so we get the value as a 0.000200. To rescue 2e minus 4f means 4f means 4 and 2 is nothing but the 2 into 10, so we get the value 0.000200. Okay, double data type. A double data type in C is used to store the decimal numbers with the double precision. If more number of decimals after point, then suppose 3.2, 3.2123456 after point there are more digits, in that case we use the double data type. Double data type is basically a precision sort of data type that is capable of holding 64 bits of decimal numbers or floating points. Since double has more precision as compared to that float, then it is more obvious that it occupies twice the memory occupied by the floating point. We know that for float we required 4 bytes, for double we required the 8 bytes. Range of float 1.7e minus 308 to 1.7e plus 308. Size 8 bytes. Format specifier is used %lf. Now the syntax of the double variable declaration, double variable name. Now the example of double, we have to include the header file hash include stdio.h, then our main function we declaring 3 doubles variables double a, double b and double c, having the values double a is equal to 123 123 123.00, double b having 12.293123, double c having 231231231.123.123, and now we have to print that values. Printf for %d we use the format specifier %lf, so %lf comma a, printf %lf comma b, printf %lf comma c, and return 0. We get these three values as a output. As output we see. After that, void data type. The void data type in C is used to specify that no value is present. There is no value. It does not provide a result value, so it is to its caller. It has no values and no operation. Okay, it is used to represent nothing. Syntax. Function return type void. Here we are declaring a function whose data type, whose return type is void or data type is void. Void exit int check. That means function without any parameter can accept the void. Also int, second way, int print void. Here memory allocation function which returns a pointer memory allocation and returns a pointer to void. Third, void star malloc size t to size. Here with malloc function we using a void. Okay. Now example of void, hash include stdio.h. After that our main function, in main function we declare one integer variable int val equal to